Hello everyone, I'm Jimmy, the founder of Pyrrion.Solutions. I set out to create products that save your time through design and innovation. With that in mind, I got to work. After 5 prototypes, I finally hit that goal with the T-7 MACS. I gave myself 3 design rules. 1, it had to be quicker to set up and tear down. 2, it had to be tough. 3rd, it had to allow for mobility, something conventional cable systems doesn't do very well or at all. With that in mind, I've cut the video into 5 chapters. That way you'll be able to go to what you need when you need it. We'll start by covering what the T-7 is, why I created it, and the problem it's designed to solve. Then I will walk you through a full installation using a single T-7 unit. Then we'll get into the main event of the video, the Unhook, Roll, Redeploy, full demonstration that this product was designed around. I'm excited to announce the first 100 T-7 units are done and ready to ship. I'll share more about the founder run later in the video. And if you enjoy following product development from beginning to end, consider subscribing to follow us. Now let's get started. The T-7 is made up of a mount with a front snap fit and back retention point. This allows the housing to lock into place. The housing has 2 parts, the top and bottom, which houses 9 holes at 6.5 millimeters, and a front latch with 2 thumb grips. In this scene, we have 2 cables, the T-7 unit itself with the housing, and a damp rag so that we can clean the table off with. Now we take the T-7 unit and we flip it over, and there's double-sided tape on the bottom we can remove. Here for the purposes of the demo, I'm using a gel tape just for easy removal, but the process is the same. Place it on the table, press down in the center, and you're done. Okay, here we remove the housing by pressing down on the front and lifting with the thumb grips. Okay, now you've removed the housing from the mount. To open it, you place your nail in the front, grab the thumbnails and pull apart. Okay, we have the housing, placing the cable in the bottom part. That way the cables will snap in. Okay, close up the housing and press on the front to lock it up. Place the back part of the hinge into the retention point and press down on the thumb grip. Okay, let's get started removing these mounts. Simple and easy. The reason I created the T-7 was to have a cable system that would evolve with the ever-changing ecosystems of today's workspaces. One of the biggest design hurdles was to design a mounting system that was strong enough both to hold the wires while allowing for mobility and also organization. And it was a challenge I enjoyed. The cable bundle is rolled up for transport. Okay, we start the unfold of all the wires to get them organized. Okay, y'all, I wanted to chime in real quick and point something out. You've probably all noticed the spacers next to the T-7. These are in fact the cable cones that I am designing to replace the traditional zip tie. And these will be available as STL files on the website to start. And then if there is a high enough demand for them, we will make them into a physical product. I'm excited to announce that the first 100 units are ready to ship. These can be found on Pyrrion.Solutions.com. Link will be found in the description below. And here is an example of the packaging and T-7 5-unit kit. You will have a card with the serial number for your order, as well as the instruction guide. On the founder run, there will be a limited amount of the 5 and 10 packs. And if the founder run sells out before you can get yours, you can join the email list to stay updated on future production runs. And if you join us on this founder run, thank you and welcome to the Pyrrion.Solutions journey. The goal wasn't to create just another cable clip. Anybody can do that. The goal was to create a cable management system that moves when your system changes. Mount once, route once, move when you need it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.